past few years have been transformative for the cybersecurity industry. Attacks are getting personal, more complex, and increasingly difficult to anticipate. So how can we protect from all of these constant threats? For years, organizations have been adding on layers of security onto their systems at endpoint level, network level, and so forth, essentially creating defense in depth. And that's good. But defending against modern attacks requires a little bit more than that. It requires visibility, intelligence, and correlation, and knowing how to protect from all sides, particularly from within. And that's exactly where the Zero Trust model comes in. Zero Trust is a concept that has gained a lot of popularity recently. And put simply, Zero Trust follows the rule of never trust and always verify. In cybersecurity, this means that an organization adopting a Zero Trust framework must ensure that authentication and validation measures are in place and properly configured. Zero Trust is built upon your existing architecture, and it does not require you to rip and replace your technology. Firstly, you need to establish your current baseline and your maturity level. You then look at your people, particularly your authentication measures, then your workloads, your devices, and how controlled they are, your networks, including things like logical segmentation and isolation, and lastly, your data, understanding what it is, how it's classified, and how to protect it. Zero Trust is a journey, and the most important thing to remember is that it's a framework that is suitable for every organization, regardless of size or nature.